Traveling by train is so common and ordinary nowadays that many young people don't care whether the train has an electric or steam locomotive. For many of us, however, steam trains are something nostalgic and romantic.
I remember very well how it was in the old days, in the 40s, when you went by train. It was so romantic. You were standing on the platform. I was a child of 4 or 5 years and saw the big engine coming, puffing and making noise like toot toot and tuk tuk tuk, and it was something that was terrifying you, and I was hiding behind my parents until the engine stopped, and then we had to go in, and that was a big adventure for a child.
That Railway Museum in Utrecht is the place where you may bring back your memories. What's special about steam locomotives?
I think the main reason is that the old people remember their own traveling long time ago, and traveling is very emotional. So they remember their departs, their arrivals, and they link that to the old engines from then, steam locomotives. So, and the locomotive itself, it's a warm, living thing with steam and water and noises.
They are all bygones. It's the development of modern technology.
Things are changing, and many people have difficulties to keep it up with that, but that's life.
It's something that we cannot help, but we all can preserve our precious feelings.